How's it going, everybody? Gonna start playing Octodad Dadliest Catch. Fan-dilly-tastic game that I've never played before, so I don't even know if it's fan-dilly-tastic, but one can only assume with a title as beautiful as that. Why is this music so fucking loud? Oh man, I love weddings. So fucking beautiful, man. What do those numbers mean? No, seriously though, what do those numbers mean?
He's just running late. He's always late.
This reminds me of the beginning of The Incredibles. Maybe I have superpowers.
Earth is keeping him.
Mr. Groom, the wedding is starting.
Mr. Groom? It's a convenient name.
You're not even dressed. Make yourself
I noticed that too.
presentable. She's waiting for you.
What the fuck? Control his arm. Oh, clear the table of junk. Get out of here. I didn't clear though. Now I did. Remove the cushions. How do I lift my arm? Oh, I guess it don't matter. Hold right. Oh, there we go. Oh. Get in there. There we go. Easy. Not weird controls at all. Oh shit. What the fuck? How's that even possible? Or spacebar to switch into leg mode. Oh god, this is a nightmare. Go out the door. What was it? Left. Why was my tie in a whole other room? Do I open the door? Oh boy. Open, bitch. What the fuck? Push. Push. Good enough. Find and wear your tux. The reception is clearly going to be the best part because I am making a mess of things. Someone's already eating the bananas. I'm gonna get somebody fired after this. What the fuck is my tux? It's not over here. That's what's waiting. What does the button do? Oh fuck yeah. Push. God damn it, go! Kick it open. Roundhouse kick. I'm out of push. The other one kind of just opens itself after a while. Let's get up close and personal. There we go. Grab that soup. Looking good. Where the fuck do I take this? Sustain arms. Good. Hot tits. I'm gonna kill it on the dance floor later. Oh shit. Grabs the key. Bring it over. There we go. Fancy flip of the wrist to open the door. Get the fucking chair. What do I need last? I'm a bow tie. I know their nose, so that's missing, I'm sure. Oh fuck! Oh, the good Lord Cthulhu. Can always count on him to give him a bow tie. Now that I overshot. Grab it. Put it on? How the fuck? Ooh, okay. Can't even see myself. I gotta get into a mirror or something. Oh, there is one over there, I think. Oh shit. There we go. Oh fuck. How do you put on bow tie? Oh, there we go. Vent this way. Move your mouse. Razor. What the fuck? Yeah, no. Oh. Raise the gate. Oh, look, I'm waving. Let's go. Thermal attire only. Good thing I'm prepared for that. Why are there presents in the middle of the fucking hallway? Never having a wedding in this church again. Oh, can I get rid of the top hat? People watching you making a mess, you'll get suspicious. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is gonna be sketchy.
Scarlet make it down the aisle without slipping in those heels?
There are a lot of locks and bars in this church.
How the fuck am I supposed to do this? Oh, fuck them bananas.
I thought he was a lawyer.
Shit.
Well, he sure seems slimy enough to be.
Oh, you funny girl, you. Cracking jokes at my expense.
That must really be.
I knew you wouldn't get cold feet.
Yeah. Even though I'm
Honey,
cold-blooded.
where's the
Yeah.
wristband? Guess you'll have to get the ring yourself.
Fuck me. Just casually. Oh, you shitting me. Why are there just a Indiana Jones bucket of jewels?
You need any help
Or
over
a
there?
donut? What the fuck? Who's the cheap bastard? I can reach it! I can reach it! Okay, closer. For the sake of my marriage. Oh, fuck. It's time to get married. Get it out of the box.
You look so handsome.
This woman is blind. As are the rest of them. I got up just fine last time. What the fuck? Give Marina Scarlet. Johansson? Oh shit! Here, bitch. Take it, slut.
Ow!
Oh, that was totally my bad. That is a bracelet. Even then, it doesn't fit her arm. Oh man. This beautiful couple. Anyone else turned on? Oh, skydiving. Oh, I gotta break the letters. Chris Allman just changed his name. Whee! Fuck that R. Oh, my Baudry. Let me get all these. It's gotta be achievement for killing an entire name. Oh yeah. Plus 30 combo. Got a score right and go. Yeah! Gets gold for America. Good job, Octodad. You're a national icon. But now you're a white screen. I'm gonna try to beat this, but we'll see. Get to the kitchen. Fuck that alarm. All you think is over here. Maybe later. Fuck you, alarm.
Hey, look.
What's up, little Timmy?
Morning, Daddy. Dad, where do rainbows come from?
My ass.
Oh. Where do flowers come from?
Oh, you're finally up. Nice to see you, sleepyhead.
Roundhouse kick.
Neat. Where do babies come from?
My ass. What am I doing? Make some coffee. Where's the coffee machine? Man, I am going up. Oh, fuck.
You expect me to believe that?
So, I was stargazing last night while you were off in the man cave, and I snapped a picture of some strange lights.
I don't want to fucking...
Probably just a satellite or lens flare, but, you know, what if it wasn't?
Yeah, what if it
I'm
wasn't?
working on a little side project, dear. I'm going to expose corruption in the fishing industry, and I know
Awesome.
just what to sneak aboard.
There's that.
That never stopped me before.
Make some coffee.
While you're waiting on your coffee, could you bring Stacy some milk?
Oh, fuck Stacy.
100 feet tall.
Stacy,
In
you
a
dream
way,
big.
based
Gotta respect
without
that.
it. You've spent so much more time with us lately.
Is that sushi in there? That's just
Honey,
fucking
did
sick.
you read my latest article? I got an interview with the mayor, and I tore him apart. Verbally.
Wow.
I mean,
Congratulations,
I
you
sent a
crazy
picture to the
bitch.
Inquisitor magazine, and they put it on the cover. You should pick one.
Just
up.
bring the entire milk to her?
Well, I can't be caught reading it.
Yo, Stacy.
Daddy, will you get me a unicorn?
No.
You'll say yes one of these days.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'll kill you. Oh, fuck. God. Yeah, this chair's stuck underneath me.
Is everything okay in there?
Yep, just beating the daughter with the chair.
I saw a blue jay
Typical
here.
Sunday afternoon
And
stuff.
a cardinal. Do you think they're gonna live in the birdhouse?
What kind of babies would a blue jay and a cardinal make?
Cute purple ones.
Yeah,
Thanks for the milk, Dad.
and none
My
was spilled.
bones will be made of steel.
Coffee is ready, sweetie.
Well, this kid's got their delusional sight
Just a
from their
reminder,
mother.
2 weeks from now, I'll be out of town on an assignment.
Oh, that's good.
I made your coffee just the
And
way
I could
you like
cheat
it.
on you.
Sea salt and tartar sauce.
Yeah, sip it
You
all
know
up.
Sherry from the book club, I caught her the other day eating a whole wedding cake. And nobody was getting married.
What a fat bitch.
Now that you're energized, I need you to take care of some chores in the backyard while I get some work done. There's grass to mow, weeds to pull, wood to chop, and don't forget to make burgers for lunch.
You can check all of your objectives by pausing the game with the escape button.
My camera's getting a bit old, honey. Any chance you know where to find an M1 modified for motor drives?
What? Camera?
Dad, are hamburgers really made out of ham?
They're made out of children who don't listen to their
What
dads.
if they were made from ponies?
Do I have to flip it? Because that's gonna get
Beautiful day
complicated.
today. The sun is shining, the birds are singing.
The worms are wiggling.
Eat up, bitches.
Yes, even worms are happy to be outside today.
Give you some of my own personal calamari.
Don't get too comfortable, dear. I've got a busy day planned for the whole family.
That's how you really grill a hamburger to perfection.
It's a surprise.
I don't think I cooked the other one all the way through. Looks like the kids are gonna
Dad said we
learn
could
what
get
it's
a
like to
horse
eat it a
for
little
the
rare.
backyard. It'll eat the grass and be our new super cool furry lawnmower.
Yeah, we need a battle horse to protect
Battle
the
horses?
family.
What the fuck are these
Dad
kids
said we could get
smoking?
one.
Oh, he did he?
Alright, here comes the tricky part. The fuck?
Bankruptcy since opening in 1960. 2 directors in the last year. Yikes.
Yikes indeed. Yo, eat up! Sally, or whatever your name was. I'm just gonna wank it on your shit, I guess.
Largest in the world.
There's one.
Just see about that.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato. Is there any way to get a better camera angle on this? Kids sit up at the dinner table.
Birds are so strange.
Why do you say that, dear?
So annoying. Oh shit!
I would just fly to the moon and live there.
Not supposed to let your kids be crazy.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
These look delicious.
Weed the garden.
They taste like magic.
No!
Ned.
Oh, my flowers!
They weren't that great anyways.
Dad, you have to blow on the weeds and make a wish. Sometimes I wish I could be purple.
Only Wells and genies grant wishes, Stacy. Everyone knows that.
Accurate jump. What the fuck? Yeah, it's
I
the
heard if one of those seeds gets
yard's
in your
problem
head,
now.
it'll
Oh shit.
grow out of the top of your head.
That can't be true.
Nice smooth control. It's the neighbor's problem now.
The ladybugs are really getting out of
Shit.
hand this season. I should pick up some insecticide before they eat all my flowers.
They don't eat shit, dear. And by that I mean I love you. Oh, she saw nothing.
Dad,
The
you
mower
should've
from the
seen this
shed.
spiral I threw the other day. It was like
Holy
50
fuck!
feet, or like
How many
100
balls these kids need? Step aside. What's that on the top of the house? Is that collectible? Gotta get the collectible.
Ow, Dad! Tommy is
Never
feeding
mind.
ants.
When there's a toxic spill and these guys get giant, you'll thank me.
Ugh. Wow. I wish I could mow the yard this easily. I'm just chopping my legs up. It's fine
I
though.
mow the lawn, but I hurt my knee at basketball practice and my elbow at baseball.
Whoops.
On my foot Hey Dad, I saw that crazy chef guy again.
Holy fuck.
Hey Dad, the way you're mowing the lawn reminds me of this one episode of Sports Johnson where he goes.
I gotta watch that Sports
He
Johnson
his
show
son,
then.
Sports Johnson Jr. or SJJ, and he and his son train to win the future soccer match between Earth and
2 more pieces.
Pluto. And Dad, are we ever gonna
Pinpoint
play
it.
soccer together?
This kid don't shut up. Show some firewood. Where's that at?
I think some of my army men are still buried there.
Can't tell if the. Yeah, it's not.
Of course,
Oh, that was easy.
bodies lying all over the house.
Gotta chop all 3. Oh boy. Okay, it places it. Good. For Scotland. Narnia and all the good places. Reach, baby. Hiya! Be gone, foul demon. And step forward a bit. No. Oh yeah, that's the classic backswing. And look at that. Oh fuck.
I hope there weren't any eggs in there.
I do, cause dinner.
Stacy, why are your butterflies?
I've got you now!
Oh shit! How do I do that?
You will be cut down!
What do I do?
Can defeat me? Second dome!
I don't know if I did that or just did it self.
Honey, what's going on over there?
This bitch has cataracts.
Anyway, I have a surprise for the whole family. A free trip to the aquarium.
They didn't even bite into those burgers.
I know you think aquariums
Picky
are
kids.
festering prisons of iniquity, but I've got to write an article for the paper. Can't you make an exception this time?
No.
Oh, groceries. We need to go to the grocery store. We need things like cereal for the kids.
She's tricking
Right,
me.
kids?
I can tell.
We already have cereal.
We need so much cereal. Then it's settled. We're all going to the grocery store.
I don't think we're really going to the grocery store. We're going to the vet.
Cereal and pizza and soda and
I'm
chocolate
gonna get a
milk.
shot.
And I want an apple.
Oh, Susie. Always eating healthy. You self-righteous whore. Oh, we're actually in the grocery store. That's not what I was expecting at all. Hey, isn't that the guy who... You were at my wedding.
Emerson's has revolutionized the modern shopping experience. Everything here is automated and handled remotely.
What the fuck? That... Find the frozen pizza. Pizza, pizza, show me the
Our
pizza.
freezer section is all frozen up. We're working on getting it fixed, but we're sure at least one freezer door is working.
Oh, yeah?
Why are all these freezers frozen?
Do I have to... Oh, shit. This is dedication to the cause right here. Is this pizza? I don't think it's pizza. I can't tell if I gotta, like... This is gonna be a bitch to get out of. Come on, baby. Practically flying. Oh shit. Oh god! Help me! Pizza, pizza, show me the pizza. Frozen deliciousness. Never comes out. Tommy, you were faking that cereal, you son of a bitch. I'll roundhouse kick you. What to do?
I drink so much milk, I think I'm utterly in love.
Oh, you devil, you. My leg is stuck.
The last Sports Johnson cereal. I hope nobody steals it while I look over here.
I'll snap your neck, bitch. Hey, what are you doing? I'm just reaching over here for nothing. Just whatever. Just casually walking by. Da-da-da-da. Oh, just make sure your wheels are good. Frosted nut hand eggs? Is that what that said?
No! I need my kids need their sugary cereal fix!
Whoa, frame.
See, when
Shit.
the red light's on, the speaker is off. That means it's.
Hey, look, it's
safe to talk
Minecraft
about how we get our meat
pickaxes.
from- What? What is it? Oh, geez. What I was saying was, it's safe to talk
Soda
about how we get
City.
our meat from nowhere. Gervison's.
It's time to get
Picking up soda for
King
the
Kong
big
on this
game, maybe
bitch.
for a big party.
If I
Only
can.
Gervison's has a soda city big enough to handle all
Damn
your
it.
biggest events.
Come on. Arm's stuck. What the fuck? Elevate them feet. Yeah. Oh, now I'm on this side. Who's the sadistic fuck who designed this store? Oh shit! Come on. Oh, fuck me. This is a lot harder than it looks. See if I can. Aha.
Our deli offers a variety of creatures
Can't-
that can
no,
be
no,
fried,
no, no, no.
barbecued, roasted, and toasted. Stop on by.
No, 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 no. The world hates me. Fuck this camera angle, man. I want to see where I'm at. Oh, almost had a good footing. No. No. How high can I reach? Hope I don't get to the very top, because if I get to the very top and fall, I might cut myself. Flip around. What the fuck? I can warp through it. Just like loop-de-loop and pull. These fucking boxes, man. They're my only hope, but at the same time, they're fucking me over. God damn it! How about this? How about you all just die in a hole? Actually, let's see. I already got this side done. Let's do it over here. Step aside. You're impeding on my children's delicacies. No, no, up. Over. Come on, shake it loose. Shake it loose. Almost. Just won't hoof his arm. Or leg. Oh my, fuck this camera over here. Stay. Alright. No, get back in there. Come on. I'm gonna get this bitch. Yay, Mango Rogel. It was totally worth the trouble. These kids better savor it. Locate the perfect apple. Oh god! So does Dakin. Jeez, I think I see the perfect apple from here. Well, that was totally my bad. Yippee-ki-yay, perfect apple. More chocolate milk.
I choose Gervison's because
We
I
have
can't
plenty.
get enough of Soda City.
This girl Where's chocolate milk kept? Gravations Dairy Center. I most certainly do not work here. I'm a lawyer.
Does anyone work here?
What the fuck? Why do I need the one back? 1 second. My leg. My head itchy. Get the one. Fuck those. Why can't I reach it? Oh, I gotta climb in there. There we go. That milk company. Oh yeah, I know those guys. Get a sushi sample. Oh, that's just cruel.
This milk says
I guess actually
apple
octopus.
vitamin G.
Octopi, wait, do I go back here? What store works like this? Oh shit! Oh fuck, dude. I didn't get much time to react. That and I accidentally switched my hand, which kind of sucked the butthole.
Free sushi samples in the back. They are delicious. I will turn you into moderately priced sushi.
Go!
Slow down, or I can kill you.
Oh fuck this cart. What? Get unstuck, that's bullshit! There was no time. He's so fast! It's impossible. At least they're kind enough to not make me run all the way here.
I will turn you into moderately priced sushi. Go down, or I can kill you. What's the matter, Octopus? Stuck in a jam? Oh, jam.
Oh man. That was some heavy stuff,
There
man.
you are. We were getting worried.
What the fuck's going on over there? Oh, that's our
Always
kid.
up to something odd. What were you doing back there?
Cheating on you, honey.
An answer would be appreciated.
Hey, look, I still got this thing. I was just cleaning up. Check out. It's a self-checkout. It's cool.
Drink your juice.
What do I do with this?
Take that, brain suckers. Daisy,
They ain't got it all.
you gotta try this.
Shut up, kid. Oh, the pizza.
Now I'm composing my masterpiece.
Triumphantly
All right,
please,
now
Burble.
we've got our groceries. It's time to head to the aquarium.
You bitch.
Well, that makes 2 of us.
Oh, shit.
To the car, kids.
Yay! I want to see a snugglefish. I want to climb something condemned.
Honey, it's really simple.
It's a movie.
You can come to the aquarium with your family, or you can walk home alone.
I shall walk home alone.
Come on, Dad. What are you waiting for?
This music's so pleasant. It just makes you feel right at home, don't it? Doo-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I'm gonna get chased by that crazy chef. This is like Ratatouille, but with an octopus.
Ooh, take a look at that. Check out that gift shop.
Oh god. Oh. Who the fuck brings that? can't buy an octopus at an aquarium.
Honey, are you all right? What has got you so spooked? Okay, I'll just have to add that to the list of questions. Don't worry, we're here for you. Now, let's get some tickets.
Alright, I think that'll be enough of that for now. There will be more.
Earth
I'm gonna
was
beat this game. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna roundhouse treat this bitch first before I quit. Or the leg. No, it's gotta be the face. Got one in the face. Oh, the slapper. Oh no, I didn't want to grab that.
yeah.
Well,
Actually.
close enough.